Hi guys, and welcome to this third lecture or something like this. Now, in the previous lecture, I asked you to do this animation as a challenge or as a practice. It might look simple, but I know for you there are many things you don't know. Let's make it as easy as possible just to start you up in this program, just to make sure that you can achieve what you want and to prove to yourself and to me and to the audience that you will have when you upload your movies that you can do it. Cool. So how to create this animation? Let's stop. Let's click on the timeline here and we stop the animation. Okay, if you remember, you need to create your first composition. So I click on this small button here. I have a composition. You can give it a name, my first. Of course, all these will be explained later on in the course in meticulous details. So I click OK. So I have my new composition here called first. I have nothing inside. To put text, you go to the T here, horizontal type tool, you click on it, you come inside your composition, just click anywhere you want and say animating. You can say anything you want, is no big deal, any text can do. Fine. And then you can click and drag it and put it anywhere that you like. Let's say put it here. And now let's create another text under it. We say in After Effects. So I hope you have chosen a text that's very good. Fine. Also, I can click and drag and put it anywhere I want. Cool. Now I want to use the position. If you notice, the text is moving around in the composition, so it is the position. If I twirl down the in After Effects here, if I can find text and transform, and here is the position. Fine. So to start an animation, you click on the stopwatch. It will create a keyframe. You already knew that. And you don't want your text to be in this position at the beginning. You want to click and drag it out. So you put it, for example, over here. Then you come to 1 second and click on your text and put it on this side. If you press shift, it will move in a straight line. So now you have your animation coming from outside to the inside. Let's do the same for animating. I will twirl down. You twirl down, you open transform, you keyframe the position. Now this is very good. It's good to keyframe it here because now it's already set. And you come to the beginning, you click, and maybe you want to press shift so it goes in a straight line. And here you are. If you play, you have your animation. So actually it's pretty easy provided that you know the concepts. If you understand the concept of the keyframes and you understand the concept of the timeline, it's pretty easy to do some simple animation. Now, I hope you went and you tried this. If you are very new to After Effects, then this is a perfect practice for the first time. Of course, I advise you to come in the beginning, put the keyframe, the scale, make it 0 like we have done before, and move to the next keyframe, for example, make it 120. Okay, you see, I clicked and dragged here. You notice, and you can do it like this, and here you are. You are just animating very nicely. So thanks very much. I hope you have done this practice, and if not, come back and try to do it again and try to manipulate all these transformations. Don't worry about it. If you make mistakes, if you get confused, just delete everything and start over again. I'll see you in the next lecture.